Number 10. Revenge. Let's be honest. Nobody admits they want revenge. We all pretend we're above it, but if someone cuts you off in traffic, tell me you don't speed up just a little to prove a point. Revenge isn't always dramatic. Sometimes it's just wanting someone to realize they messed with the wrong person. Number 9. The answer. It's the strong desire to finally understand the real truth behind the big questions in life about existence, God, purpose, and why we're here. These are often confusing and deeply personal, and searching for answers can create a lot of uncertainty or emotional struggle. When someone finally reaches their own truth, it brings clarity, peace, and a sense of direction that money also cannot fulfill. Number 8. To be missed. You know that tiny moment when you wonder if anyone notices when you're quiet for once? People want to be missed. Not in a dramatic way. Just a simple, "Hey, where were you?" can make someone's whole week. Number 7. To be heard. Everyone talks, but very few people feel truly heard. We want someone who listens without checking their phone or planning what to say next. Even a simple, "I get you," hits harder than most expensive gifts. Number 6. Power over others. Kim Jong-un. You already know him. People don't daydream about ruling the world. Well, some do, but most just want a little influence, like getting the group to finally agree on where to eat without a 40-minute debate. That tiny taste of power feels surprisingly good. Number 5. Health. We don't talk about it until something starts hurting, usually the moment we stand up too fast. But if you are sick, well, you will pay most of your wealth to just stand back on your legs again. Health is something we only appreciate after losing it, kind of like Wi-Fi. Number 4. Vindication. People love being right, even if they pretend they don't care. There's nothing like the quiet victory of someone finally admitting, "Okay, maybe you were right." It's not about winning. It's about proving you weren't the crazy one. Number 3. Proof of destiny. We want signs, little moments that tell us, yes, you're on the right path, like getting an opportunity right after saying you need a sign that things will work out. It's not about magic, it's about wanting to feel guided rather than lost. The rise of online astrology consultations reflects this desire. Number 2. Unconditional acceptance. People want a space where they can be weird, messy, confused, or overly obsessed with their favorite hobby and still be loved. Being accepted without having to perform is rare, and everyone quietly wants it. Number 1. Personal beauty. The intrinsic desire to feel attractive, confident, and satisfied with one's self-image, which translates into a powerful form of social capital. It boosts self-esteem and influences how the world perceives and treats them. That's all for this video. Just subscribe and expect more of such content.